Hi guys, so we are here right now in Gold Coast. We just came out from the parking and we found a halo halo Filipino drink.
Do you want
So
halo-halo now?
we're going to buy it
We're gonna
now.
have lunch and halo-halo.
It's time to eat halo halo. So they're getting halo halo. Lovely.
This is my big Gerald manga.
Lovely.
See?
Baka pa lang sa spoon doon nandiyan will fry.
Ask one more spoon. Just ask. They will be.
So there's what is that? Rectangle stuff?
This is no, this is leche plan. The caramelized sweet.
Nice.
And this is the caramelized banana.
So you mix it up very well?
Yes, that's why it's halo-halo.
Yeah, mix it up very well. The tapioca on the bottom?
Kaya nahulog na sa kabila.
Uy, it's okay. What are you doing?
Ate, oh.
Malamig.
Hey guys, so here we came here potato madness. So let's try. Hi, can I have a French fries large with a chili cheese seasoning, please?
It's $9.95 today.
Oh,
I'll just get you the check-in as well, please.
sure.
Thank you so much.
So they run out of waffle and twister. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, mate. Here you go, guys. How's they enjoying the halo halo? Try it, eh? Eat.
Yan, that's the Filipino chips.
Nice.
Mahaba. Hawakan mo. Ano yung siya niya sa other side?
Chips is nice. Little bit sweet. Freshly made.
Talaga yung bunganga. Ano yung telepono mo? Hawakan mo. Papasubo ka man. Ayaw ko mo nga eh. Sinusubuan ko.
There's a big chunk of ice.
Yes.
So I'm trying halo halo.
Try to
Perfectly sweet.
Buyag. May Gerald.
If ice cream was there more, I would like more.
More ubi. Yes, ubi ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ubi ice cream.
No ice cream. So this is ending of this vlog. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next video.
Ayan.